Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can change the brightness inside of Monster Hunter Wilds, okay? And this is gonna be useful because sometimes this game looks very wash, and you wanna make it look a little bit darker, in my opinion, okay? So how we're gonna do this is by going into our settings, by pressing escape, and now you wanna go into your options, and you basically wanna go to your display menu, which is this one here. And now you wanna click on brightness, and here you want to follow all three different steps that they give you, okay? Which in this case is basically, you want to match your black so that there is no difference between the black score and the white score. So I'm just gonna reduce this down a little bit, and I'm gonna keep it actually like so, okay? To zero, it's fine actually. Now for the next one, we need to match the maximum luminosity. So there's also no difference between the black and the white. So you want to keep it, like so also. In my case, I can actually, yeah, I'm going to keep it to 19 actually for my case. And in this case, you want to make this symbol not visible or barely visible, okay? So I'm just going to reduce this a little bit like so, okay, to 9. And as you can see now, my game looks much better in my opinion. It looks less wash and it looks more pretty. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Thank you so much.